I don't know who needs to hear this. God has not forgotten about you. He still knows your name and He sees what you're going through. He says in the book of Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 5 that before I formed thee in thy mother's belly, before you were born, I already knew who you were. God knows you and He sees what you're going through. You might be in a place in your life now that is so difficult and you're asking God, why me? When will my breakthrough come? When will my time come? But the Bible tells us that in His perfect time, He will come true for you. God will show up Himself in your life. He will wipe away your tears because He is a good God. He's a faithful God. He has never failed and He will never fail. So don't worry. Just lean on Him. God will show Himself in your case and He will change your story. He will turn your life around for good. God bless you.